Somebody is asking how much an e-commerce specialist can earn. Actually, bro, earning is dependent upon the various factors. If we talk about as a employee, an e-commerce specialist in India earns an average approximately 18 lakh. Mostly, we can say a range between 13 lakh per year to 23 lakh per year, based upon the capability. Okay, so this is in the case when he do job of any other organization. Okay, so but if you built your business, your own business, using that e-commerce skills, it can be a product base, or it can be the service base, or it can be an e-commerce agency, then there is no limits of earning in this. We can say, if we see towards the realistic side, if you start as an individual, you can make upon 8 to 10 lakh per month and 1 to 2 crore per year after few months of practicing एज अ बिगनर. ओके, सो फिर जैसे जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जाएगा, टाइम के साथ साथ अर्निंग भी बढ़ती जाएगी. Okay, so but here is a disclaimer, a big disclaimer, that this is depend upon how much efficiency you are putting into your work, how do you perform your jobs. ये totally depend करता है कि on your efforts, on your consistency, on your performance. I can just give you a road map. For that you can join the training program, our training program for that, that is the e-commerce specialist training program. I will share the link for that, and you can get enroll into that program, and you will get the entire map of the how you can be able to start an e-commerce business, or how you can able to make this much figure of money in coming time. Okay.